campers in a world where everyone's looking to save money and make a few extra bucks. Starting a carpooling service could be your golden ticket to earning a whopping $3,000 per week. You don't need a fancy degree or a fleet of luxury cars, just a willingness to connect with people and a bit of organization. Launching your carpooling service is easier than you think. First, identify your target audience. Are you aiming to help busy professionals, students, or perhaps families with kids? Understanding your potential users will guide your services structure. Next, choose a platform to connect drivers and riders. Apps like Uber, Lyft, or even creating your app make this process seamless. Ensure your platform allows for easy communication and has a reliable payment system. One of the biggest challenges in carpooling is building trust among users. Implement a thorough background check for drivers and encourage users to rate and review each other. This creates a sense of accountability and reliability within your carpooling community. Establish clear guidelines for both drivers and riders. These guidelines should cover safety measures, punctuality, and general behavior during rides. Clear rules contribute to a positive experience for everyone involved and help prevent any potential issues. Decide on a fair pricing strategy. Consider factors like distance, time, and vehicle type. A transparent pricing model ensures both drivers and riders know what to expect, building trust in your service. Marketing is key to the success of your carpooling venture. Utilize social media, local community boards, and word of mouth to spread the word. Offer promotions and referral bonuses to attract new users and reward loyalty. Carpooling is not just about saving money, it's also about contributing to a sustainable environment. Emphasize the positive impact your service has on reducing traffic congestion and lowering carbon emissions. Many users are drawn to carpooling as a green alternative, so make sure to highlight this aspect in your promotional efforts. Be prepared to address challenges that may arise. Have a customer support system in place to handle complaints and inquiries promptly. Your ability to manage challenges effectively will build credibility and trust within your carpooling community. Once your carpooling service gains traction, consider expanding to neighboring areas. This could significantly increase your weekly earnings as more users join your platform. Explore partnerships with local businesses, schools, or corporations to promote your service and attract a broader audience. Share success stories from your carpooling community. Feature testimonials and experiences on your platform and social media. Positive stories create a sense of community and encourage new users to join, contributing to the growth of your service. Starting a carpooling service and making $3,000 per week is achievable with the right approach and dedication. By focusing on building trust, implementing clear guidelines, offering fair pricing, and effectively promoting your service, you can create a successful and sustainable carpooling platform. So, buckle up and get ready to drive both people and profits to new heights.